Everyone ready? So let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Both teams quickly moving to that center diamond position. Road222 gathering from that gate, kind of avoiding the pre-placed picks, artifacts. Meanwhile, 13-4-1-4 going to that far position. 2-4-3-5-8 seems to be stuck over there at the far position by the diamond. Meanwhile, Road222 still trying to pick up from that gate. Red Alliance has almost a 60-point lead here, leading into the teleop phase. I think we're going to see that red ramp gate open, filling up that blue tunnel. So a lot of traffic over there in that corner. Blue needs to move fast here if they're going to pick up this lead. Wolves Robotics really prioritizing getting these stray artifacts around the board. Meanwhile, Road222 picking up primarily from the gate, though looks like they're now going over to that far position. I think we're seeing some really adaptable teams here on the field. 13-4-1-4 grabbing from their human player, hitting almost two of those shots from the far position. Meanwhile, Wolves Robotics seems to be stuck over there with 3 artifacts by the close position. 13-4-1-4 might have to tie this game up on their own. Meanwhile, the Red Alliance, 2-4-3-5-8, grabbing from that human player, taking advantage of all those extra artifacts. Road222 just moving away like clockwork, opening up that gate, grabbing as many as they can from that gate before it gets let out and given to the Blue Alliance. 5189 looks to be back. Moving again, lots of traffic over by that gate. Blue Alliance might be trying to disrupt what the nice mechanism that Road2 has over that gate. Wolves Robotics seems to be stuck again over by that blue tunnel, kind of preventing Road222 from getting into that gate. We only have about 20 seconds left in the game. Red Alliance 51 artifacts, Blue Alliance 5 artifacts. And I think the Red Alliance is just going to try and go for as many points as they can. Meanwhile, Blue Alliance looks like an early park just to secure those extra endgame points. And that is time.
The winner is Red Alliance with a score of 270 points. Good job, guys. Good job.